Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm super excited to share our first reveal for our June products. So I am sharing what's in your junior box of the month, and some of these items you can pick up individually on the website starting on June 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. So I will have some spots available for the junior box of the month. So if you're interested in this box, head on over on June 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. That will be the best chance for you to get in on this box. You could purchase it as a one-time purchase or subscribe monthly. If you subscribe monthly, there'll be a little drop-down menu that says choose your frequency, and you'll choose monthly. That will reserve your box for next month, and you're not going to want to miss next month. So you do also get a discount when you choose monthly. You'll save 18% off. So let's start with this amazing stamp set. This stamp set is 6x6. This is called Sandy Toes. It's got this great little beach scenes that would be great to like stamp as a silhouette in black, do some inking in the background, make a nice sunset. You could stamp it in different colors. You can have a lot of fun with this set, and I love the sentiments in here. We've got All About Palm Trees and 80 Degrees, Sandy Toes, Sun-Kissed Nose, Salty, The Beach Is My Therapy, The Beach Fixes Everything, Thank You, Beach More, Worry Less, Relax, Beach Vibes, Hello, High Tides, Good Vibes. There's some little flip-flops which are really cute, some little starfish, and some tiny little seagulls that you could stamp in the sky to complete your scene. So super fun, guys. You are going to get the Down the Shore 6x6 paper pad. This is just so pretty. We've got matching ephemera to go with that. The colors are beautiful together. Let's flip through this paper pad. I'll share a card that I did using this paper pad as well. You get 4 of each design. There's 12 different designs in here. So here's a cute little pattern of a little beach with some palm trees, some nice stripes in that painted style. This glitter looks like sand. Some really pretty starfish. A nice woven rattan, probably, background. A nice little neutral. This is perfect. They look like waves. And then the back is really pretty. So this is the sheet I used to create this card here. And I used the brand new Easy Wonder Die number 3 that is coming out on June 15th. So the official release date for that product is June 15th. So in that collection, there'll be the Easy Wonder Die number 3. Amazing die, just like number 1 and number 2. And number 1 and number 2 are selling really fast. Number 1 is about to sell out. So if it's not sold out already, I would go ahead and grab that right now. So this makes a beautiful postage grid and some layering mats and a flag banner. Pass it through with one pass, and then you get all of these different cuts at once. There will be an Easy Wonder Die number 3 add-on with more mats and layers, some other components, a really awesome piece here that will cut a postage style border, a happy mail, a postage cancellation ring, the shadow, some trails for your airplane, a little envelope. Super, super cool. Also, we will have this special delivery stamp set that goes wonderful with the die. You'll see how I used it in this card here. We'll have another product that we'll be releasing with this, so I will share more about that later. So let's take a closer look at the card. So I used the special delivery stamp set to create this cute little airmail in the corner, the 25 cents, and I stamped out the special delivery from that set on the flag banner. So really cute, and this is the piece of ephemera that comes, that matches this paper pad. So super fun, just love that. So we got this really cute page with seagulls. And then a nice little glitter. I also used that in the background of this card. Some clouds are watercolor background, but they look like you can use them for clouds. And then a really nice sheet with a bunch of shells. So great paper pad. Christy Marcotte did a bunch of cards using this paper pad, ephemera, and the Easy Wonder Die number 3, so be on the lookout for that video. Let's lay out all of our pieces from our ephemera pack, and then I'll share the beautiful card fronts that will be available. Also included in the junior box of the month. Okay, so from this pack I did use the little bicycle. Okay, beautiful collection there. Okay, so for our new card fronts, there's a bonus image included on the back, and I've used that image on this card here. So didn't that turn out really pretty? For some reason I wanted to use some like designer holographic gold papers, and this one just happened to be like a holographic. And I stamped out The Beach Is My Therapy from the stamp set, and it's just a really pretty beach scene on that Easy Wonder Die postage grid die, so I love that. And then this one is also using one of the card fronts. I stamped out the Sandy Toes, Sun-Kissed Nose, and the word breathe, and I think it turned out super beautiful. So these will make some quick and easy cards. You can just put them straight on an A2 size card front, or do something like I did here. You get 2 of each design. Really, really pretty. The finish is really nice. It's kind of matte, but with a semi little gloss. Not shiny at all. And then we have this gorgeous beach scene with these beautiful shells. Just love the little scenes in here. There's a ship. And the colors are very soothing and tranquil. Love it with these purples and pinks and blues. That would make a beautiful wedding card or something like that, an anniversary card. This reminds me like a solitude card. So pretty, guys. So this is the image that I used on this card. So those are the card fronts. So meet me back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for another reveal. We'll reveal what's in your box of the month. I do want to mention the Free with 60 will be this cute little goodie bag with this cute little watermelon keychain, a nice little half pack of enamel dots, and this cute little card that says, "I will always be around to let you know that you are one in a melon." And it says positive watermelon. So you'll get this cute little goodie bag while supplies last, and that starts on June 1st. So thank you so much for popping in today, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye, guys.